Hello traders, it's time for summary of the day. So we're gonna go through all our trades. We had 2 live trading sessions today. We opened 4 trades in total, and unfortunately, but we got loss of $6,000. Yes, guys, sometimes it looks like this, and we cannot do anything with that. It wasn't the best day for us, but I don't care too much because tomorrow is another day. So hopefully tomorrow we're gonna make some profits. We had few different plans in the morning, so let's go through them. We had a plan on Euro USD. The plan was saying that we need to break through the cluster and support resistance zone, and then we're gonna go up to the target. Risk to reward 1 to 2. And basically that plan worked, but I didn't open it. You can see 1 hour time frame. The price went through that zone. Just let me zoom it in. The price went through that zone. There was a retest from lower time frame, and we are on the way to the target. So the plan was good, but I didn't use it. Sometimes, you cannot catch every single trade. Sometimes we miss a few trades. It is what it is, guys. That was one of our plans. The other plan, the other plans from the morning session, it was plan using a P.A.A strategy. So we set pending orders on Euro USD and we hit stop loss. And basically, I closed the position because of the news, because we had few minutes before the news and I had to close those positions because I don't want to trade during news because it's not allowed on founded accounts. So I had to remove it. Loss of $4,000. I will show you that in a second. Let's go to the next trade. Next trade was saying that we're gonna go up. This trade it might be still available for us to open. We're gonna check. I'm not sure. We're gonna check now. But we need to remember that in about 15 minutes time we got some news. So probably I will leave those trades today and I will stop trading because I hit stop losses. I don't want to open any more trades. I don't want to overtrade. So tomorrow, another day, we're gonna look for some more opportunities tomorrow. Next trade on gold. We had a nice area. We set pending order on gold. Risk to reward 1 to 5, but unfortunately the price got only to here and they went straight up. So we didn't get to that area. That's okay. Sometimes, sometimes it's like this, that we set pending orders and price cannot reach that level. That's okay. We're gonna look for something else. And next one, this is crude oil, and the plan was pretty simple, to go up, but the price went straight down. The price went through this area. The price basically dropped down immediately all day long. The price was dropping on crude oil, so there was no chance for us to open the trade. The other one, this one here, we opened the trade. That was pretty good trade. We used order flow to enter the position. We opened the trade over here, very tight stop loss, and I was willing to get 5%. The price went halfway and they reversed. So I took $1,000 profit and I secured the rest on break even. So I got only $1,000 from this trade, but that's okay. That's okay. And the last one, this trade, also we were looking at our second session, so we can open the trade after breaking through this trend line. Also, the price was reacting on the trend line from higher time frame, but I think the price went through. Let me just check. And the price went through, we are going up. So I'm not looking anymore for this trade because we got some news coming up later on today. So like I said, I'm going to stay away from the charts and we're going to wait for the next day. I want to show you something. We placed these trades today. So gold, $1,000 profit, good. Crude oil, we opened position, but this trade, unfortunately, we got stopped out. My trade, my risk was lower, around $1,200 because of the size of the position. You can see 60 lot size because this is quite big account. The price moved in 1 second, 30 pips. So my trade didn't close here, it was closed lower, so that's why I got bigger loss. But it's normal on the market, in every single broker or prop firm, it happens, guys. Okay, gold, it's the same position as this one, $1,000, but rest of this position was closed on break even. And the last one, Euro USD, using AP Asia, we had to close it for on stop loss. We had to close it manually because of coming up news. So not the best day today, but guys, we are still in profit on this account. Tomorrow is another day, and let's do what we need to do. We need to get some profits, of course, but sometimes if you are a trader, you know that sometimes there is a bad day and there is a good day. This is not too bad, guys, because I lost today only a little bit more than 1%. That was my loss. Is it a lot? I don't think so. Okay. Tomorrow, if you're gonna place the trade 1 to 2, we can get $10,000-$15,000 in one trade. So I don't care too much. Tomorrow, another day. Tomorrow is Friday, so we're gonna check what's going on tomorrow. For today, that's it, guys. I'm gonna see you tomorrow in the morning, 7:30, and also live trading session at 9 and 2 p.m. So hopefully tomorrow is gonna be a better day for us. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you tomorrow. Take care. I wish you all the best and a lot of profits, of course. Take care.